K8 School Lessons. Microorganisms in food production. In this video, we are talking about the useful microorganisms used in food production. Microorganisms play a crucial role in various methods of food production, leveraging their natural processes for fermentation, preservation, and enhancement of food flavors and textures. Here are the key ways microorganisms are utilized in food production. Fermentation processes. Sourdough bread. Yeasts, primarily Saccharomyces cerevisiae, ferment sugars in malted grains to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. Leavened bread. Commercial yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae ferments sugars in the dough, producing carbon dioxide that causes the bread to rise. Cheese. Various bacteria, such as Lactococcus lactis and Lactobacillus helveticus, and molds like Penicillium roquet for blue cheese, are used to ferment milk, contributing to cheese's texture and flavor. Buttermilk and sour cream. Similar to yogurt, these products are made by fermenting cream or milk with lactic acid bacteria. Yogurt. Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus ferment lactose in milk to produce lactic acid, which thickens the milk and gives yogurt its characteristic tangy flavor. Beer. Yeasts, primarily Saccharomyces cerevisiae, ferment sugars in malted grains to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. Wine. Grapes are fermented by yeast species, such as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, converting sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Kombucha. A symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast ferments sweetened tea to produce a tangy, effervescent beverage. Sauerkraut. Cabbage is fermented by lactic acid bacteria, such as Lactobacillus plantarum, which preserve the vegetable and develop its sour flavor. Kimchi. A mix of vegetables, often including cabbage and radishes, is fermented with lactic acid bacteria and sometimes yeasts, resulting in a spicy, tangy product. Pickles. Cucumbers are fermented by lactic acid bacteria, creating sour pickles through the production of lactic acid. Tsingpei. Soybeans are fermented with the mold Rhizopus oligosporus, resulting in a firm, nutty flavored product. Miso. Soybeans are fermented with Aspergillus oryzae to produce a paste used in soups and sauces. Soy sauce. Aspergillus oryzae mold is used to ferment soybeans and wheat, followed by fermentation with lactic acid bacteria and yeasts. Other fermentation-based products. Vinegar. Acidobacter bacteria oxidize ethanol in alcoholic beverages to acetic acid, producing vinegar. Salami and other cured meats. Lactic acid bacteria ferment sugars in the meat, lowering the pH and helping to preserve and flavor the meat. Chocolate. Cacao beans are fermented by a mix of yeasts, lactic acid bacteria, and acetic acid bacteria, developing flavors and reducing bitterness. And coffee. Coffee beans undergo fermentation to remove the mucilage layer, which influences the final flavor of the coffee. Biotechnology applications. Enzyme production. Microorganisms produce enzymes used in food processing, such as amylases for brewing and baking, and proteases for cheese-making, flavor enhancement. Fermentation can produce compounds that enhance flavors in foods, such as glutamate in soy sauce for umami taste. Probiotics. Foods like yogurt and kefir contain live beneficial bacteria that can promote gut health. Preservation. Fermented fish products. Fish can be fermented by lactic acid bacteria, such as in the production of fish sauce. Fermented dairy. Cultured dairy products like kefir and buttermilk not only offer unique flavors but also have extended shelf lives due to the acidic environment created by fermentation. Nutritional enhancement. Biofortification. Fermentation can increase the bioavailability of nutrients in food, such as the synthesis of B vitamins by bacteria in fermented foods. By leveraging the natural metabolic processes of microorganisms, these methods not only improve the safety and shelf life of foods, but also enhance their flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles.
Visit K8schoollessons.com for 1,000+ free worksheets, lessons, and quizzes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.